Hey guys, welcome to Kane Custom Garage. Today we're going to look at like one of the most common saws you'll see out there. You always see them for sale on Craigslist but anyways, it's the Stihl 031 chainsaw. These are like basically a 50cc chainsaw. They made millions of them. They started making them in 1971, so this saw is probably as old as I am. And then they started, I think they stopped making them in the in the 80s, early 80s, something like that. And so here's the later model with the electronic ignition. So let's start them both up, see if they'll cooperate, and then we'll go in the shop, talk about them a little bit, and maybe after that I'll cut a couple of pieces of wood because I got these stumps I need to cut up. So alright, let's see if they'll start up for us. Come on, baby. That's what the throttle lock's for. That one's being a little finicky. I think it needs a carb kit. It sits around so long. Let's try this guy. The oldie, old grandpa, the 031. Come on. Come on, Gramps. Give him a little choke. Oh, now she wants to go. That one actually runs better than the newer one, but it probably just needs a carb kit. So let's go in the shop and talk about them. Yeah, I just love these old Stihl 031s. Those are like the classic chainsaw. And so yeah, here's the early one. This is they call these the red tops. This one's probably as old as me, like I was saying, made in 71. And so yeah, if you look at them, the lower handle's a little different. The newer one has like the foot rest thing, so you can put your foot on it. And then yeah, this is an electronic ignition one. And then of course the early ones are just a points ignition. But yeah, just a neat classic looking old saw. I like how the Stihls had the angled cylinder head. Just looks cool. Looks like it's going fast. Standing still, as they would say. And then of course they have the cool old Stihl logo on it, the log logo. And I can't even remember. I think I got both of these like off of Craigslist, because yeah, like I said, you see them for sale all the time. They're like one of the most popular firewood cutting saws that you see. Good little saw. They're anti-vibe, so that was pretty advanced for this early 70s one. Anti-vibe chainsaw. And they're sort of cool. The little air cleaner, you just turn it and it comes off. It has like a little Zeus fastener on there, like a race car. And then the air cleaner just has two little screws, and the choke's built into the air cleaner, so you just take that off and your carburetor's right there. So yeah, they're just neat little saws, simple to work on. It's a nice day out today. It's been a crazy winter. So yeah, the Stihl 031s. Don't make fun of my cheap bar. The laser bars, I know they're the cheaper ones, but it works fine. And then that one with the Stihl decal on it is actually an older one. I painted up and just put a decal on it. So maybe I'll take the old guy and cut a couple of logs over here for you. Let's check that out. Alright guys, I'll dirty up my saw for you and cut a couple of pieces of wood. Then I gotta clean the damn thing. But anyways, let's fire it up, see what she does. Made quick work of that. Okay guys, that's the Stihl 031 story. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and click the little bell button for notifications, so when I do my chainsaw videos next week, you'll get the notification. And remember, friends don't let friends borrow chainsaws. Okay, bye.